loves, today I have a Poison Ivy tutorial. Man, I do not look like myself right now, and I kind of won't be until October is finished because I have so many cool tutorials coming. This one was really fun to do, guys. I mean, it's gonna take kind of a while to wash off, but I love how this looks. And guys, this wig is just gorgeous. Now I kind of want to dye my hair this color. I mean, I don't know, I kind of have some issues. I mean, I'm liking all of the wigs that I keep putting on, and I just love how this look came out. It is stunning. It was so fun to put together, and it didn't really take me that long. It kind of looks like it did, but it really didn't, and I'm really excited with how this came out, and I have a lot of other tutorials coming. If you guys have any suggestions, just leave them down below. And I'm going to cut all this chit chat now, so if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I am now going to be taking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette, and I'm going to take the shade Trickery and put that into my crease. You can honestly be as dramatic as you want with this look. I had to make this look a little wild and crazy because, hello, it's Poison Ivy, guys, and I love this shade. It is so pretty. I am now going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to take the shade Moneybags and add that onto my lid. I know that these shades are kind of similar, but I just love how gorgeous they look together. And now it is time for a foundation. I'm going to be going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Caramel. And now I'm going to set my foundation using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Pure Beige. And now I'm taking my NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette, and guys, here is the twist. I'm going to be giving myself red eyebrows because that is the color of Poison Ivy's eyebrows, so this is quite interesting, guys. I'm not using my usual shade, and it was really fun to put together. I love it. And for mascara, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. Now time for contour. I'm going to be using my Smashbox Holidaze Contour Highlight palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Bronze to contour. Now guys, this is where the fun really begins. I'm going to take that same shade Trickery that I use for my crease, and I'm going to put that onto my forehead. And guys, you can get as messy with this as you would like because this is really fun. I'm going to add some onto the contour of my cheeks because, guys, it's Poison Ivy and I just wanted that full effect on my face. I am now going to take an Ulta brand crayon and I'm going to line my waterline. I just love the effect that this adds to my eyes. It really makes them pop. Alright my loves, now here is where you can let your creativity shine through, and guys, just have fun with this. I am going to be drawing leaves and vines all over my neck and my face. I just had so much fun with this part, guys. Be creative, have fun, and just make it your own. And by the way, to fill in the leaves, I'm using my NYC City Proof 24-Hour Shadow Stick in the shade Madison Square. for this part, you could use any eyeliner that you have or whatever else you want to use. I'm just using this eyeliner stick. I am now going to be taking the shade Trickery once again, and I'm going to be shading that onto my neck. Look at this effect, guys. I just love the way that it looks. I really felt like Poison Ivy. And now for those signature red lips, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D lippie in the shade Outlaw. Now we're going to make her look a little more dramatic, so we're going to add that gorgeous red blush. Guys, look at this. I just love the way that this looks. And if you do recreate this, please do tag me in photos. I really would love to see what you guys come up with. And for a highlight, I use that gorgeous shade in my Makeup Revolution Soph X highlighter palette. Now, it wouldn't be me if I didn't add some sparkle to this look, so I had to go in with this gorgeous gold glitter from Blackheart, and I got this at Hot Topic, guys. Works like a charm. Babies, and here is the finished look. I just love how this came out, guys. It is gorgeous. This is just stunning, guys. I'm really proud of myself. I just love how the wig and the hairpiece brings everything together, guys. This is totally adorable. If you guys will be using this look for Halloween, like I said before, please tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreations. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell if you guys do not want to miss any more uploads, and leave some comments down below. And guys, do not forget, if you recreate this look, please tag me in photos on social media. I would love to see your recreations. And like I said, this is makeup. Play with it. You do not have to do what I did. You could take it and make it your own. Like I said, it's makeup, it's art. Play with it, make it your own, but I would still love to see your recreations. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
I wanna love you with the lights on, keep you up all night long, darling, I wanna see